Luckily, a bit of hard work didn't deter our next hard-to-build house, tucked away in a remote corner of Derbyshire. This is Ravine House, a meticulous renovation of a 55-year-old bungalow that hums with the authentic spirit of the 60s. There's an original hardwood ceiling, retro built-in wardrobes, even a reconstructed 1960s carpet. It's been, respectfully, brought into the 21st century by Ian and his wife, who inherited the building 5 years ago. The original bungalow has been sensitively updated and extended. At one end is a rectangular bedroom wing, connected to a hexagonal block containing an entrance hall and living room, topped by a mezzanine study. Beyond that, the kitchen and dining area flow into a new geometric sunken garden room. Hello, Ian.
Hello, Kevin.
Good to meet you. I'm guessing that the copper box, is that original?
It's a replica of what was there originally.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? So it was there?
It was there.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
The extension and two towering new chimneys are clad in the same gleaming copper in dialogue with the original 60s bricks. The RIBA judges admired the deft way new elements have been stitched onto the old here, while every possible original feature has been attentively preserved. To step inside is to take a step back in time. It's terrific.
Yeah, we like it.
Yeah, this great big folded fan of a ceiling. It's complex.
Yeah. And it was one of the trickiest parts of the build to preserve it.
No wood was damaged, and the result is groovy. The ceiling makes a key contribution to the feeling of historical authenticity here, as do the fixtures and fittings.
We were very careful about what we put in. The tables here are original. Door handles are very similar to what was there original. The lights in this room were always there. The lights in the dining room were in the shed for 25 years.
This is next-level nostalgia. Not content with finding the closest matches he could for 60s furnishings, when Ian found a scrap of original carpet, he couldn't resist asking a factory to laboriously recreate it. The effort that's been poured into preserving the past here is astonishing. In the bedroom wing, original wardrobes have been lovingly coaxed back to life. Above the living room, there's a retro mezzanine office, overlooking an authentic bar, stocked, of course, with period drinks. But Ravine House doesn't just look to the past. Beneath its 60s clothing, this is a highly energy-efficient 21st century home. Thick insulation has been cleverly hidden inside every wall and every joint made airtight. No mean feat in this complicated, irregular polygon of a building, which now has a new geometric extension, housing a 60s-style conversation pit. Oh my word! Is this the extension? How phenomenal!
It's a lovely space.
What does it principally get used for?
So the original plan was people would sort of start their evening with you here and then move to the dining area and then move to the lounge for after dinner drinks.
After dinner.
But everyone just migrates back here. It's fabulous in the winter. You get these windows just become this huge black void.
Wow. Far out. Just like the psychedelic colour scheme. If you've ever enjoyed visiting a National Trust house, then you will know the importance of narrative in conserving and looking after our historic heritage. The importance of telling the story of buildings and adding the occasional new chapter without messing around with the old. That's exactly what's happened here. I mean, everybody involved has become passionate about the late 1960s, door handles and knobs. They've added a new chapter of its time. They have revitalized the old building, repaired it lovingly, kept as much as possible, while at the same time re-insulating it and bringing it into the 21st century. And as a result, the whole thing is completely revitalised, ready to be admired and revered.